Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at Dairy Queen and I'm trying two different things and they're both ice cream related. So what I got is this beautiful purple ice cream cone, which is supposed to taste like Fruity Pebbles cereal, and the other one is a Blizzard, which is an Oreo dirt pie. And I have been crazy about it for a long time because it just reminds me of a frozen version of dirt cake. So I'm going to give them a try right now and see how it goes. Boy, this is very fruity. And it almost has a little citrus taste to it. Now I'm gonna try the dirt pie. This is very good. So if you like my video, be sure to like and subscribe and I'll make more videos. So take care everyone.